Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of similar triangles. So we are given that triangle PIE is similar to triangle SIC. And we are given that point S is the midpoint of side PI and point L is the midpoint of side SI, and we have to find the length of side CL. So the first step here is to analyze these given similar triangles. Now since it's a very cluttered diagram, it's best to draw those two triangles separately. So we are given that triangle PIE, so this PIE and triangle SIC. So these two triangles are similar, and we are given that P is 40, SC is 20. Now we are given that S is the midpoint of PI. That means if SI is X, that means PI is 2X. So SI is half the length of PI. Now since these two triangles are similar, that means their corresponding sides should have the same ratio. So that means, PE over SC should be equal to PI over SI equals EI over CI. If I sub in the values, so P is 40, so 40 over 20 equals 2x over x equals EI over CI. Now we can simplify these fractions. So 40 over 20 is equal to 2. So here we can cancel out the x's. So we get 2 equals EI over CI. So that means that C is the midpoint of EI. That's why EI is double the length of CI. So that's the first conclusion, that C is the midpoint of EI. We have to analyze triangle ESI. So I'll draw the triangle S and then I, and there is this point C here, and then there is this point L. Now this is 42 units long, E to S, and we have to find the length of side CL. Now we have concluded that C is the midpoint of EI, and we are given that L is the midpoint of SI. That means this line segment CL joins the midpoints of two sides of the triangle. That means we can use the midpoint theorem for triangle. So I'll write the name of the theorem. So it's called the midpoint theorem. So as per the midpoint theorem, a line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and is half the length of the third side. That means CL line segment is equal to half the length of side ES. So this is as per the midpoint theorem for triangle. So we know that ES is equal to 42. So it becomes half times 42. So that means CL is equal to 21. So this should be the final answer for the length of line segment CL. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.